In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who viewed your WhatsApp status and understand screenshot privacy on WhatsApp. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone and post a status update. This can be a photo, video, text post, or any other status format available in the app. If you have not shared a status yet, you will need to do that first because the viewer list only appears on statuses that are already live. Once your update is posted, give it a little time if needed so your contacts have a chance to view it. After that, open your status and look toward the bottom of the screen for the view counter. This number shows how many people have seen your status. Tap on that view counter to open the viewer list. From there, you will be able to see who has viewed your status. This is the main place in WhatsApp where status view information is shown, and it gives you a quick way to track engagement with what you posted. It is helpful to know that this feature applies specifically to WhatsApp status updates. If you are checking a regular chat or trying to find similar information for screenshots, WhatsApp handles that differently. At this time, WhatsApp does not send notifications and does not display any alert if someone takes a screenshot of your status. The same applies to your chats as well. So if someone screenshots a conversation or a status update, WhatsApp will not notify you or flag it inside the app. That means the viewer list can tell you who opened your status, but it cannot tell you whether someone captured it with a screenshot. This is an important privacy detail to keep in mind when sharing anything through status or indirect chats. If you are posting something personal, temporary, or sensitive, it is always a good idea to remember that other people may still be able to save what they see without the app informing you. So to recap in a simple way, first post a WhatsApp status update, then open that status and tap the view counter at the bottom to see who viewed it. Just remember that screenshot activity is not reported by WhatsApp, whether it happens in a status or in a chat. That's all you need to know to check your WhatsApp status viewers and understand what WhatsApp does and does not reveal about screenshots.